Today we are looking at a brand new Qsage grain cleaner. This unit was specifically designed to replace the Clipper Super X 298D in either the left hand or the right hand configuration. This unit can use your existing screens, so that is a savings. You do not have to buy new screens to use this unit. This unit also has the added feature that you can get up to 86-inch of screening area in the bottom shoe, so that allows you to do a more efficient cleaning operation. As I said, this unit is brand new. Here at Commodity Traders International, we are not afraid to stock brand new manufactured equipment. This unit is ready to ship. Unit has very nice features: easy crank, air controls, common discharge for side delivery spouts, clean grain discharge, and fans are supposed to be in the approximate position of your existing grain cleaner. This is supposed to fit the Clipper Super X 298D footprint and replace it. This unit has a 10 horsepower 3-phase electric motor. This unit can easily be swapped out for single phase at the expense of the buyer. Just a very, very nice unit. Qsage is the industry leader and is not afraid to support their equipment. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you for watching.